I'll now demonstrate how the selection tool can really help you narrow in on your data. So I'm going to create a new project. When loading a new project, you'll always get a status of where it is in the processing of the MatrixEase data. Once the MatrixEase dataset is loaded, I'll then do a left action to select Shoreline Judo, and then a right action to OR Shoreline Judo, www.shorelinejudo, and I'll apply that filter. Now I can see how Shoreline Judo affects all the other data, but I really want to focus in on Shoreline Judo, so I'll use the selection tool to accomplish this. Just click the selections. The selections have a couple areas. The top area, I can basically filter the data by selected percent. So I can say greater than or equal to percentage or less than or equal to a selected percent. I can also show the cell fills as different things, as just a percentage of total and selected, the default, and percent of selected. I can also change my left mouse button action to be overwrite the selection for the filter, or this selection to the filter, or and the selection to the filter. I can also change my column order to be ascending or descending by selection and hide some columns. I'll hide a few columns now to make the view easier to read. I've also set my view to be percentage of selection. I'll apply this now. Now I can really focus in on Shoreline Judo. Especially I might want to look at different status codes and how they rank.